division. In three-time Jiu-Jitsu World Champion, weighing in at 203.4 pounds, the weight
This main event.
Yes.
Three turns that left leg and dumps Danis down to the mats. This ball here. That is a fall for the low.
Fall from a fireman's carry. Never in my life. Oh, God.
We saw 150 people on the RAF stage. I saw Danis kick. And what has been a phenomenal night. It has been a fantastic.
Referee actually does a good job looking in.
But
all right. Please welcome Tony and Batman Zone in the Real American Free 5.6 pounds. The current in Ferguson 169 pounds. And tender
use code RAF20 for 20% off. At RAF11 in Milwaukee, we'll be wrestling out him, and he gets the crowd into it.
Everybody loves him. He can actually...
Very kind of the referee to only call that first one, too. That
extended underneath, holding on to that left ankle.
Headlock tilts to remind you in this match with Lance Palmer. I'm seeing Colby overlook those first 6 points. All right, we got a couple of those were
in the air. This would end it.
Oh, nothing. The match is over, guys.
I'm a little bit confused by this.
Armand Batman Zone.
His way over to Chelsea.
Well, Armand, I had him.
Thank you for support. Thank you, Tony Ferguson.
Wrestling champion, you just put 10 points on the board. A little better competition. How do you
figure it out?
All right,
matchups. I'm gonna break him on this match. This is real.
I would like to give you the final word. Anything you would like to. All right, real simple. Covington's going to be facing Armand.